level continues to rise in the Trinity River. The San Jacinto River is finally going down, and that's giving a community like Channelview a chance to finally dry out and assess all of the damage the flooding caused. That's also where we find CW39 Houston's own Seth Kovar joining us live from that damaged area. And Seth, water got into a lot of homes there, and people coming back may have nothing to salvage.
Yeah, you really worry about what those folks are going to come home to. It's probably going to be a muddy mess, and they're probably going to have to replace flooring and carpeting and you name it, furniture and all of that. Where I am exactly is River Road. That's the Gulf of Mexico to my right, and Lake Sandy's over there. It's very apparent that this was one continuous body of water over the weekend. And if you look behind me there, this is River Road itself. It's not technically closed, but there's definitely water over it, so you probably don't want to drive through. I haven't tried it in the pickup truck that I'm driving today, but I will say this. There are some ducks over there waiting in the road, if you will. So definitely a situation you want to avoid all those high water spots. Now, I did record some video a little earlier to give you an idea of what it looked like around here. There's a park just to my left as well, and it is one giant body of water. A terrible day for folks here in Channelview. In fact, they have canceled school today to let people get back in their homes and establish the damage, and they don't want to add the extra burden of trying to get the kids to school and their minds off of everything that's going on at home. So day off for school here in Channelview. I'll let you know their statement in just a moment. But what you're seeing is the park that I was speaking of, River Road itself, being closed by the high water. Just driving around this area, which I did for about 15 minutes today, trying to find the best spot to be. You can tell the water was very high. Everything's wet. There's bar ditches full of water, and it's certainly an area that needs to dry out. And the forecast, I think Adam was saying, does sound promising for that, but it's going to take some time. There was just so much water here. Basically the mouth of the San Jacinto River as it dumps out into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, I haven't spoken to any flood victims directly just yet this morning. I am probably going to end up finding them. It shouldn't be very hard, but I did talk to a gas station attendant just up the road who told me about a regular customer who came in on Saturday in anything but normal conditions.
He was so wet up to here, and I asked him what was wrong. He was like, we had a flooding and all the water went into my RV, so he had to go in swimming into his RV to get his stuff. So I was like, wow, I feel bad for him.
Yeah, and I mean, that's the thought for a lot of us here, that stayed dry, and those flood victims, are so many of them. I mentioned Channelview ISD canceled school today. They released the statement. It read, the Channelview ISD community has been impacted by recent rainstorms affecting many families within our district. It is because of this we have decided to close the district tomorrow, Monday, May 6th. This statement came out yesterday. After careful consideration, closure will allow families to focus on recovery efforts and ensure the safety and well-being of all students, faculty, and staff. This closure will also allow us to assess any damages to our facilities, address any safety concerns, and provide any necessary support to those affected by the recent storms. And there are so many of those folks in communities like Channelview, but really across our area. So here we go. Drying out is the name of the game. We're hoping we can see that, but what we're also going to be seeing for sure are those mounds of carpeting and flooring and whatnot on the curb waiting for pickup, with so many people having to repair their homes because of all the flooding. Back to you.